Introducing sharp, stunning 5-star energy efficient top-load washing machine equipped with the most top-notch features and powered by the induction motor. Available in inox mid-black colors and capacities ranging from 7.5 kg, 9 kg and 11 kg, most ideal for an Indian family. The soft closing door slowly slides and shuts softly when released, requiring less maintenance. The Add Laundry function available in the machine allows the user to add the leftover clothes for up to 4 times until 15 minutes of the washing time, where the machine automatically adjusts the wash cycle. The washing machine is armed with 10 wash program function. Switch on the child lock function and let the machine work without any disturbance, even if your child plays with the buttons. Machine is equipped with 2 inlets, therefore it is able to connect to hot and cold water as per the customer's convenience. This machine has passed through 7 Shield Japan quality standards. Bring home your shop appliance now.